Abonnema, originally known as Nyemoni, is a large town in the Kalabari Kingdom that was founded in 1882. It is characterized by monthly prayers, peaceful coexistence, and no taboo. The Abonnema Market Square is a prominent landmark that tells a story of war and the fallen heroes.
Market Square met during the war, Sakmebo 1967, 68, 69. The soldiers, both one and two slaughter in Aba. So fallen heroes, me munjo men in the year. So I'm messed up here 1970.
The people of Abonnema are known for their different sources of livelihood, which includes fishing.
Wait, Andrew, I'm fishing. I shoot the net. No, I don't fishing about 30 years. This one will set the net. You just stay inside boat and this boat day now. Just now, like all this profile way.
Marriage is an important part of life, and in Abonnema, the marriage culture is very unique. My name is Dane, Mrs. Irene Fulbram Manuel. In Abonnema, we have two types of marriage. We call one Igwa, and the other one is called Iya. The Igwa is done in a smaller way than the Iya. Whatever the Iya will take, the Igwa will take half of it. Food plays an important role for our daily survival, and in Abonnema, we have varieties of tasty native recipes. The three major local meals in Abonnema are Tominaudu, otherwise known as native soup, Tominafulo, otherwise known as native soup, and Onunu, otherwise known as pounded yam and plantain.
Calabarina flour, equal flour, but the one Oyapa and Neriminasi do flour because I'm belai. So the Calabarina flour, Wakambosoare, Ingbe, Ofingo, Esam, Ingolo, Opuro, Ewanji, Agbaranji, Iku, Eneme, Lama, and Calabarina flour. And Calabarina flour, me piki la lamai. And ye lateke, other floor Nengere, Osia floor go in Nengere.
If you would like to know more about the other two meals, Tominaudu and Onunu, stay tuned till next time.